Okay, let's start our online class. This very online class has been arranged by the Borderland Income Television. Okay, and we have been doing voice chants. Today, we shall discuss, we shall practice omission of the agent of the passive voice. Omission of agent. जोङो मा मोनबोबाय थादों जे एक्टिव भइसनिफ्राय पैसिव भइसआव सोलायनायाव जोङो जेनेरेलि माबाखौ एजेन्ट अर्थात एक्टिव भइसनि साबजेक्टखौ पैसिव भइसआव एजेन्टनि जायगायाव लिरहैदों अबजेक्टनि जायगायाव लिरहैदों नाथाय ओरैबायदि माखासे सेन्टेन्स दङ बा सेन्स दङ आरो प्रनाउन्स दङ साबजेक्ट हिसाबै बाहायजानाय बिसोरखौ जोङो मा पैसिव भइसआव एजेन्टनि जायगायाव लिरहैनाङा लिरबा गोरोन्थिसो जायो लिरहैनाङा आरो लिराबाबो जायो नङा लिरनाङा लिरबा गोरोन्थि जायो अके लेट्स ओरैबायदि बुंदों इहां पैसिव भइसआव बाय आस बाय हिम बाय देम बायदि मुंख'नाय थाथारनांगौ होनना साननाया गोरोन्थि ओंथिखौ रोखा खालामनो थाखाय गोनांथि जाथारोब्लासो बायजों लोगोसे अबजेक्टखौ बाहायनांगौ नाथाय बाय बाहायाब्लाबो जिदु ओंथिया रोखा जायो अब्ला बेखौ बाहायनायनि गोनांथि गैया जेरै My breakfast was eaten by me this morning. बेयो मोनसे गेबें पैसिव सेन्टेन्स नाथाय बियो मोनसे मिनिथाव बाथ्रा मानोना बिब्दि बाथ्राखौ इंराजि बुंग्रा मानसिफोरा मालाबाबो बाहाया ओके नाउ लेट्स बे सेन्टेन्सखौ लिरबाय आं we called him Mahatma नायदो बेहाय we subject called verb him object Mahatma what is this complement actually it is complement here Mahatma is complement not object we called him Mahatma now let us turn the sentence into passive voice. But before going to this, we should mind that here is the subject we. Sometimes this very pronoun we subject is considered as vague subject. Okay, unimportant subject. Sometimes vague subject. Sometimes it is unimportant subject. In case of unimportant subject ni belayau. मालाबा माने मोनसे प्रनाउना इम्पर्टेन्ट साबजेक्ट जायो बेखौ होआब्लाबो पैसिव भइसआव मिनिङा जेबो खहा जाया मिनिङा बेरखांथारो बिदि बेलायाव आरो दाना फैदो जोङो सालायनोसै we called him Mahatma नैबेखौ लाबोदो he बेयो past tense बे past tense here third person singular नमा बे past tense एखाने be verb he was called main verb past participle he was called तना ने बे complement को लाबोदी है Mahatma He was called Mahatma. ताना थामथि रुल बा मोनथाम रुलनि जोबथा रुल मथे बे अबजेक्टआव फैनांगौ आस आरो बिनि आगोलाव बाय He was called Mahatma by us. बे जानांगौ नाथाय बे सेन्टेन्सआव पेसिभ भइसनि सेन्टेन्सआव by us बेखौ लिराबाबो मिनिङा जेबो खहा जाया. He was called Mahatma. जेबो खहा जाया. आच्छा जुदि लिरथारोबा मा जागोन आसलते एसे गोरोन्थिसो जायो बेयो एखाने बाय आसखौ लिरनांला आरो. He was called Mahatma. बे बेलायाव ओरैबादि बे मानसिया महात्मा होननानै बुंजादों बे सिखाव होननानै बुंजायो बे बिर पुरुष होननानै बुंजायो. सोर बुङो मानसिफोरा बुङो जों बुङो मानसिफोर बुङो बे देशनि मानसिया बुङो नै बिदि आरो बेखायनो बेखौ होआबाबो जायो. बेखौ नांला बेखौ नांला बाय आसखौ नांलिया. ते होलिया जेला लिरला जेला बेखौनो मा होनो omission of the agent. Omission of the agent of the passive voice. बे दानिया आरोबाव जोङो आवगायलांनि. Active voice. Someone has stolen my purse. Someone has stolen my purse. Someone has stolen my purse. Someone subject has stolen verb my purse object. In this very sentence someone is subject and when we say someone then it is not distinct, it is not definite. बेरेखा नङा सोरबा होननाय जायो सोरबा होननाय लोगो लोगो बियो डेफिनिट नङा आरो डेफिनिट नङाबा बियो मा जायो भेक साबजेक्ट जायो. दा जों जुदि बे सेन्टेन्सखौ पेसिभ भइसआव लिरोब्ला सोलायोब्ला my purse has been perfect tense नालाय been नांगोन. My purse has been stolen. My purse has been stolen by someone. बे थामथि मोनथाम रुलखौ बाहायनानै लिरोब्ला बे मा जागोन my purse has been stolen by someone आरो लोगो लोगो बेयो गोरोन्थि जागोन. बेखौ गोरोन्थियाव हमगोन आरो नोंनो नम्बर होनाय नङा. फरिखायाव आनजादाव नोंनो नम्बर होनाय. You will not be provided, you will not be awarded. You will not be awarded marks. So we should mind, we should be careful enough. This is what not definite, indefinite, unknown. So unknown subject should not be written as agent, as an agent in the passive voice. So if we write this, bringing this someone from subject to object and write like this, then it will be wrong. We should not write this. We should not write this. No need. My purse has been stolen. That's enough. Next. They repaired. Okay, in continuous tense, present continuous tense, they are repairing the road. They are repairing the road. The subject are repairing verb, present continuous tense, the road object. Here they means, what does it stand for? What does it mean? It stands for laborer. And laborers work for wages. So they are not given any importance. They are not given any importance. They are not given honor in our society. They are neglected actually. Laborers are neglected. So this very subject cannot be written here at the place of agent or object. Let us see. Bring this. The road, present continuous tense. The road is third person singular number. So the road is being repaired. The road is being repaired by them. When we write does, it will be wrong. It will be wrong. Okay, you put here full stop. They बेयो लेबारारफोरखौ बुजायो लेबारारफोरखौ आरो जोंनि समाजाव दिनै जोंनि समाजाव मा गुरुत्व होयो मा दाम होयो आरो बिसोर थाखानि बदलैसो मावदोंना नैबे आरो बेखायनो बिसोरखौ मा होनो अनइम्परटेन्ट साबजेक्ट एबा भेग साबजेक्ट होननानै बुङो बेखौ बैहाय लिरो इहाय सामवाना बांसिन भेग साबजेक्ट आरो बे डेआ अनइम्परटेन्ट बेखायनो बैहाय लिरहैनाय जाया The road is being repaired by them. जुदि लिरो जुदि बेखौ लिरो अब्ला किन्तु गोरोन्थि जागोन नोंसोरो नम्बर मोननाय नङा You will not be provided, you will not be rewarded. Okay. These are the examples of omission of the agent of the passive voice. Let us avoid this. Okay, let us avoid this. Now, people speak English. People speak English in England. People speak English in England. Yes, among the living beings who can speak alone, human being, no? So, it is this thing, but it is this thing, though you do not say this, yet it is clear. So, here people, it is very well known subject. Yes, people speak language. People play football, not animals. not birds. So it is very clear. Though we do not write this, yet its meaning is not what? Its meaning is not hiding. It becomes clear. Let us see. Subject, verb, object. In England, what is this? It is adverb of place. Adverb of place. Okay. So it will remain the end position. So English is spoken. English is spoken. English is spoken by people in England if we write does, remembering the three rules or applying the three rules of by chance, then it will be wrong. Okay, no need this, no need to write this. It is very clear, this thing. Though you do not write this, yet it is clear. The meaning becomes clear. English is spoken in England. English is spoken in England. No need this. Okay, English is spoken in England. Now, गाहायाव खायसे सेन्टेन्सफोर होनाय जादों बिसोरो पेसिभ भइसआवल'सो बाहायजायो ओरैबायदि माखासे सेन्टेन्स दङ बिसोरो एक्टिभ भइसआव लिरजाया बिसोर खालि पेसिभ भइसआवल' थायो दे पेसिभ भइसआवल' अनलि पेसिभ भइस माखासे ओरैबायदि सेन्टेन्स दङ बिसोरो खालि एक्टिभ भइसआव थायो पेसिभ भइस गैया माखासे ओरैबायदि दङ जायो खालि पेसिभ भइसआवल' लिरजायो एक्टिभ भइस थाया बेबादि आरो हाँ ते मोननैसो एग्जाम्पल लानि मोननैसो एग्जाम्पल नै books are made of paper. Books are made of paper. A passive voice. It is passive voice. Okay, passive voice. And we cannot change the sentence to active. We cannot change the sentence into active. Books are made of paper. Books are made of paper. We cannot say it is passive voice into active if we try to write books, subject are made, verb of paper. Books are made of paper. There is no agent. No agent. So we cannot write in this way. If we write does, if we try to write does, paper is made of books. It is wrong, completely wrong. Okay, so don't try this. We should understand this. Another one. One-horned rhino. One-horned rhino is found in Assam. One-horned rhino is found in Assam. One-horned rhino is found in Assam. Passive voice. Okay, one more. Never be in active voice. Okay. Ornaments are made of gold. Ornaments are made of gold. Ornaments are made of gold. We cannot change this into active voice. It is passive voice. Okay? Passive voice, passive voice, this. Okay, let us proceed to another one. Another important example. It was said in the exam frequently during our time. A promise should be kept. A promise should be kept. Passive voice. A promise should be kept. Here, this very verb, be kept, is passive form. Okay, or should be kept, passive form. Passive form. This. Now, there is another thing. There is another thing. It is called quasi-passive verb. Voicens of voicens or voice. Let us sense this voice. Quasi-passive verb. Quasi-passive verb. Quasi-passive verb. Yes. Let me read out, okay, for your help. इंराजियाव खायसे भार्बफोर दं जायफोरनि महरा एक्टिव नाथाय ओंथिया पेसिव जायो. हाँ, कौसि माने मा? आधा आधाबो होनजायो, नङाबा ओरैबो माने महराव मोनसे नाथाय खामानियाव गुबुन मोनसे. बे आरो जे इंराजियाव खायसे भार्बफोर दं जायफोरनि महरा एक्टिव नाथाय ओंथिया पेसिव जायो. बिब्दि भार्बफोरखौ quasi-passive verb बुंनाय जायो. quasi-passive verb. Active voice. The flower smells sweet. The flower smells sweet. Subject, verb. Sweet at object नङा, बे complement. दा बेहाय बेस मेल भार्बखौ मा होननानै बुंगोन नोंसोरो एक्टिभ भइस हा बेहाय मा होनदोंमोन आगोलाव माने जायफोरनि महरा एक्टिभ नाथाय ओंथिया पेसिभ नंगौ बे एक्टिभ मानोना बेहाय बी भार्ब आरि जेबो गैया द फ्लावर स्मेल्स स्वीट एक्टिभ बियो नाथाय ओंथिया सेन्सआ पेसिभ बेखौ जुदि जोङो ओरै लिरोब्ला फुवारनानै पेसिभ भइस The flower is sweet. The flower is sweet when it is smelled. When it is smelled. Here. The flower is sweet when it is smelled. The flower is sweet. The flower is sweet when it is smelled. The flower is sweet. The flower is sweet. Smell बे भार्बखौ पेसिभ भइसआव लांबाय. It is smelled. Is smelled. पेसिभ. बेखिनिया पेसिभ जाबाय. The flower is sweet when it is smelled. हा बेबादि. आच्छा मोनसे लिरबावनि. Let me write another one. When it tastes sweet. When it tastes sweet. When it tastes sweet. Active voice to. Tastes be verba active voice to. Active voice. किन्तु ओंथिया meaning-आ active नङा बे passive सो नैबादि सालायनाय Honey is sweet. Honey is sweet when it is tasted. When it is smelled, when it is tasted. Bear. आरो ओरै मोनसे सेन्टेन्स दङ eyes feels cold active voice eyes feels cold passive voice eyes feels cold ice is cold when it is felt ice is cold when it is felt. बेबादि आरो दे अके बेहाय मोनसे खोथा दङ लिरगिरिया लिरदों आं बेखौनो फरायनानै खोनासंनो नोंसोरनो मा smell feel सब भार्बानो नङा गरन्थ भार्बफ्राल smell feel taste read write बेफोरबादि भार्बफोरा बे भार्बफोरा बेफोरबायदि भार्बफोरखौ माने quasi-passive भार्ब महरै बाहायनाय जायो बे भार्बफोरखौ quasi-passive भार्ब महरै बाहायनाय जायो दे आच्छा बे थांथोंसै let us avoid this now come to let us proceed to reflexive object voice sense of reflexive object voice sense of reflexive object reflexive माखौ होनो reflexive form reflexive object pronounफोरा जेनेरेलि मोनब्रै महर दङ बांसिनानो मोनब्रै महर सोरहाबा मोनथाम महर थायो जे आइखौ लिरबाय बिनि गुबुन मोनसे महरा मी बिनि गुबुन मोनसे महरा माइ बिनि गुबुन मोनसे महरा आच्छा माइनबो लिरनोसै बिनि गुबुन मोनसे महरा माइ सेल्फ आइ मी माइ एबा माइन आरो माइ सेल्फ आइ बेयो साबजेक्ट महर मिया अबजेक्ट महर माइना पसेसिभ माइ सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्सिभ बेखौ रिफ्लेक्सिव होनो रिफ्लेक्सिव बेयो पसेसिभ फर्म बेयो ऑब्जेक्टिव आरो बेयो सब्जेक्ट बा नोमिनेटिव नोमिनेटिव बा सब्जेक्ट subjective दा नैबे जाथोनि myself ourselves yourself singular number singular himself herself and apply themselves नै बेफोरखौनो मा होनो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रनाउन होननानै बुङो बेफोरखौनो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रनाउन होननानै बुङो दा बेबादि रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रनाउन गोनां सेन्टेन्सनि जे भइसेन्स बे भइसेन्सआ एसे आलादा रोखोमनि जायो बै थ्री रुल्सखौ थ' एप्लाइ खालामनांगौ नाथाय गासिबो एप्लाइ जाजोबा फुराफुरि एप्लाइ खालामनो थाङोबा गोरोन्थि जागोन if we go to use or apply the three rules of voice sense in this case and reflexive object it will be wrong okay now see let me write the man killed by himself the man killed by himself The man killed by himself. The man subject killed verb by himself. The man killed himself. अब्ला से करेक्ट जागोन. The man killed himself. बियो object. दा बे सेन्टेन्सखौ जेब्ला जोङो passive voice आव सोलायनो थांगोन. If we change the sentence from active to passive, what will be this? You write this here. Object to subject. Himself, third person singular number past tense, so was. Himself was killed. Himself was killed by the man. 100% mistake. Wrong. It is not correct. Himself was killed by the man. If we apply the three rules, then we shall get this. We will get this. But sentence is wrong. So, where there is a reflexive object, we should be careful enough in changing voice, because the system is something different. Not it is. This is not. See here. We should write this very sentence in passive voice. The main subject, the same place, subject. Now be verb, third person singular number past tense, so was. The man was. Now the main verb in past participle. The man was killed. Now first this, okay, not this at the end position, but before it we should write by preposition, by himself. The man was killed. The man was killed by himself. The man was killed by himself. Okay? She shot herself. She shot herself. She, subject, shot, verb, herself, object. Yet we cannot apply here the three rules, because here is the reflexive object. So, subject will remain subject at the same position. She was shot by herself. This. Let us write one more. We help we should help ourselves. Yes, we should help ourselves. Okay. In singular number, SELF. In plural number, VES. Now, we should be helped. We should be helped by ourselves. Okay, by ourselves. We should be helped by ourselves. We should be helped by ourselves. Yes. Now, another thing. It is voicence of factitive object. We have got cognate object now. Now factitive object. It is something different. Reflexive object, cognate object, factitive object. Now, factitive. Factitive object. How is this? Yes, how is this? You see, let me read out. In English, there is a kind of object, what is called factitive object. And this factitive object never can be changed into subject. Mind is. Factitive object का object नहीं था ये. नहीं लो. मुझे example लानी. We made him captain. We made him captain. We, subject, made, verb, him, object, captain. It is also object, but not general object, not simple object. It is what? Factitive object. So right here, FO, factitive object. Factitive object. Let us study this. We made him captain. Kajoni batreo made bhatni objecta him are captain. Bibu object. Kajoni batreo made bhatni objecta him are captaina zabai factitive object. Beni kaine be sentence ko passive voice kalamnayaw him खौसो subject खालामफैनांगौ captain खौ subject खालामनो हाया बेहाय बियो बिदि objectफोरा factitive objectफोरा permanent object जानानै थायो नाय you bring this here he from him to he okay third person singular number past tense so be verb will be was he was made captain. He was made captain. Then he was made captain. This object, factitive object, will remain as object in passive voice also. He was made captain. Now you write this by us. By us. He was made captain by us. पिवाड़ी चाहिए दा कैप्टन को अगलो लापनाने कैप्टन was made him by us कैप्टन was made double object नहीं बायदि बेबो object नालाय बेखौ जों subject खालामो कैप्टन was made him by us be incorrect be incorrect Okay, incorrect. Now, next. We selected him our chairman. We selected him our chairman. We selected him our chairman. We selected him or chairman. You see here, we subject, selected verb, him object. Our chairman, it is also object, but this object is factitive object. Never can be placed at the position of subject. It will remain as object, permanent object. Now, him, he was selected. He was selected. Our chairman. He was selected our chairman by us. 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 Yes. Okay. Our chairman. Our chairman was selected him by us. It is wrong. Okay, let us write one more. We shall elect him our MLA. We shall elect him our MLA. Subject, verb, him, object, our MLA, factitive object. Now, he, from object to subject, he, future tense, so he will be, now the main verb in past participle, he will be elected our MLA by us. This. Okay. Let's. Now there is one thing, double passive. Double passive होननाय मोनसे दङ. Double passive जाया. Double passive लिरनो नाङा दे. मोनसे सेन्टेन्सआव मोननै क्लज दङ. बे मोननै क्लजखौ मोननैखौबो जोङो एक्टिभनिफ्राय पेसिभआव लांजोबनो हाया. मोनसेखौल' जों एक्टिभनिफ्राय पेसिभ खालामनांगौ, मोनसेखौ एक्टिभैनो दोननांगौ. बेनो जाबाय मा डाबल पेसिभ. डाबल पेसिभआ गोरोन्थि जायो. नाय double passive. बे impossible आरोखि double passive. ओरैबायदि होनदों double passive थामहिनबा मोननै passive formखौ बाद होनांगौ. मोनसे सेन्टेन्सआव मोननै क्लज थायोब्ला मोननैबो क्लजखौ जोङो एक्टिभनिफ्राय passive खालामजोबनो हाया. मोनसेखौल' खालामनांगौ, मोनसेखौ बेनिफ्राय दोननांगौ. जेरै नायदो The thief was ordered. The thief was ordered by the magistrate. To be punished. To be punished. Cái này मोननै क्लज दङ आरो मोननैबो क्लजखौ जोङो passive voiceआव लिरदों. The thief was murdered बे passive बेहाय the thief was ordered by the magistrate बे मोनसे क्लज. The thief was ordered by the magistrate ओमफ्राय to be punished बेबो passive voice. Be punished बे passive voice. आरो लोगो लोगो बे guarantee जासिगोन. मानोना मोनसे complex sentenceआव जे मोननै क्लज थायो बे मोननैबो क्लजखौ जोङो पेसिभआव सालायनो हाया. मोनसे पेसिभआव थागोन मोनसे एक्टिभआव थांगोन आरो एक्टिभआवनो थागोन आरो दे बेबादि. नैबे एग्जाम्पलखौ लानि. नैबे एग्जाम्पलखौ The headmaster ordered the students to stand up. This sentence is a complex sentence. बेहाय मोननै क्लज दङ. The headmaster ordered the students ओमफ्राय to stand up बे मोनसे गुबुन क्लज. मोननै क्लज मोननैबो एक्टिभ भइसआव दङ. दाना पेसिभ भइसआव सालायनांगौ. बेहाय the headmaster subject ordered verb the students object. एखौ आगोलाव लाबोदो. The students plural number past tense so be verb will be were. The students were ordered. The students were ordered by the headmaster to stand up. नहीं to stand up benefit थाबाय बे माने एक्टिभ भइसआव थाबाय बे एक्टिभ भइसमोन पेसिभ भइसआव बे एक्टिभ भइसआनो थाबाय किन्तु बे the headmaster ordered the students मा जाखो ordered बे एक्टिभ भइसआ पेसिभ भइसआव सालायबाय. The students were ordered by the headmaster. Okay, जों बारा माबा लादे समाया बहुत जाबाय जों एखौ बिसिम फोजोबबाय दिनै. गाबोन आरो जों दस्रा खालामलायगोन हो जेरै इम्पार्सनेल इट बेखौ जों गाबोन खालामगोन. दे होमबा दिनै जोङो गुड बाय होलायनोसै दे. आंबो नोंसोरखौ गुड बाय होनोसै नोंसोरबो आंखौ गुड बाय होदो. दे जों क्लासखौ बेखिनियावनो स्टप खालामदिनि दे. गुड बाय.